There's only ever been one rack between the two since we started. Real chance for Shane to extend that gap.
Yeah, Andy, I think he needs to get straight or better than that on the 6. Okay, he's going to come all the way around to the top side of the 7, which is just as good. He just doesn't want to contend with the 9 when shooting the 7. Might play this to the right middle, talking about the 7.
If he's dead straight, it's not too bad. You just don't want to be running into the 9 ball, really. But yeah, he's straight. He's going to have a little bit of distance on the 8.
It's funny, snooker players watching this clearance will be thinking, why didn't you finish straight on the 6? Bang the 6 in, screw back for the 7 in the opposite corner pocket. I think he knows what he's doing, obviously.
Yeah, I agree, though. I thought that's how he's going to play it. Like you said, he knows what he's doing. It's more of a feel thing when you're at the table.
Yeah, pool players so used to running the cue ball round off the rails and finding their positional play that way. You don't really see them stunning or leaving. Oh.
My goodness. He's fluked it in the right middle.
Can you believe he's tricked the 8 and fluked it in the right centre pocket? Oh my word.
Maybe a little too confident. I don't think any of us expected him to just miss that ball.
Attention, please.
Just maybe a lack of focus, a little too confident. Is it destiny, Carl?
Well, maybe it is